Anybody who sells on Amazon knows ConnectBooks. They are in the forefront of accounting for Amazon sellers. They work hand in hand with the sellers. So when you're using their program and you say, this is not working or that's not working, you have somebody to talk to over there and they'll add that feature. They're not just trying to sell a program, they're trying to sell a program that works for sellers. We were launching all these products and they were selling well, but the bank account wasn't showing exactly what it seemed it should show. Until then, we're using accounting based on just Amazon's reports and Excel sheets and using a VA, and it was just a lot of extra steps. By the time it came to reality, we weren't getting the actual information that we needed in order to know what to fix. We signed up for ConnectBooks, but the program wasn't enough. You need somebody who's on top of the program and reading the numbers that it's putting out to you and implementing changes that will make sure that you are actually being profitable. It came to the point where we're like, okay, we're not really making money right now on Amazon. We for sure can't spend extra money on this program that's just telling us the bad news. So I called up Nachman and I'm like, okay, we're canceling. So he's like, listen, give me 3 months. We're going to work together and we're going to figure out what the pain points are. And if at the end of 3 months we can't figure it out, then obviously cancel it. He gave us the guidelines and the framework. We raised prices. We knew exactly which ads needed to be removed, which products are just dead products and needed to be removed from our offerings. We have the tools to know what needs to be done in order to make sure that we're profitable. If not for ConnectBooks, at this point, we would probably be onto a different venture. Definitely not Amazon.